To free up space on Samsung Galaxy S26, you can go to Settings. In here, scroll down and search for the Device Care option. Next, in Device Care, we can go to the storage in here, and you should be able to see the list of different categories for all your files on your phone, and you can see how much space is taken by these categories. So this can be a good indicator of something that takes a lot of space. So if you have lots of videos, they take a lot of space, you can actually go to videos, and of course you can decide to remove some of the videos that you don't need anymore. You can do the same thing, of course, with images, documents, audio files, and so on and so forth. There is also trash, so usually if you remove something on your phone, it lasts in the trash for 30 days before it is permanently removed. In the meantime, once you remove the file and it stays in the trash, it's still going to take some space. So of course you might want to go through trash in order to immediately remove everything that you no longer need on your phone. Besides that, we have some additional suggestions in here that can be quite helpful with cleaning the storage, like for example duplicate files. If your phone detects that you have some duplicated files, you will have the option to remove one of these duplicated files so that you have just one copy of that file. Also, we can see large files, and I believe that we can adjust the size, which should be considered as large. So if we tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and tap on large file size, then over here we can say that, for example, everything that is 500 megabytes and more is considered large. Now, as you can see, nothing is detected in here. So it's up to you what should be considered as large. So you can, of course, get rid of those large files if you, of course, don't need them. Now, besides that, we can also jump to trash in here. So this is pretty much the same thing as the trash in the displays. And also we can see unused apps, which usually appear after like 30 days or so. So here you can find apps that you no longer use or you rarely use. So you can decide if you want to keep them or if you can uninstall them from your phone. And that is pretty much it. Of course, in the case of apps, if some apps take lots of space, even though they really shouldn't, you can go to apps in here, and I believe we can sort by the size in here. So you can see all apps that take the most of the space. And what you can do is you can, for example, go to the storage of that app. So if you tap on the app and scroll down, you can find the storage, and you can, for example, clear cache or clear the whole data. Keep in mind that if you delete the data for the app, you will probably lose stuff like some personal information, like account, for example. You will be logged out, some settings might be reverted, and so on and so forth. So you want to be careful with that option. However, most of the time you can just clear cache without any negative effects, for example, right? So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.